Hello from Oldham Volkswagen. Here we have some outstanding stock today in the approved used Volkswagen Tcross SEL 1.0 TSI at 115 PS in a stunning Reef Blue Metallic finish. This incredible car is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen and does include a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. So to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. More than happy to provide more information. And this video tour will host a 360 walk around alongside a second part segment going through some features and functions. As you can see, the 17-inch Chesterfield alloy wheels give the car a really stylish look. And the wing mirrors are an upgraded function as they have the power folding mirror ability, allowing you to fold them in automatically when locked to provide safety for the vehicle. As we make our way into the back of the car, you'll notice a well-maintained interior with the ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, making this a brilliant family car. As you can see, the stylish paintwork looks absolutely outstanding, and with the black detailing, it looks super stylish and certainly is a head turner. As we access the boot of the car directly, here we gain access to the spacious boot size, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside. Now, if you do need additional storage space or height, we also have space underneath for a spare wheel as well. This car has had one previous owner during its life cycle, so you can be rest assured that it's had a very well maintained life cycle. As we access the front of the car, here we have the leather-wrapped multifunctioning steering wheel that offers access to your dashboard display, amongst a few other functionalities. You'll also see that the titanium black and brown interior upholstery work hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience for you and your passengers to enjoy. So thanks for watching the 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Tcross SEL. If you would like to stick around, we'll be going inside the car taking a closer look at some of the features and functions. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. As we make our way inside, the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel offers a comfortable grip for a comfortable driving experience. To the right-hand side, we do have the controls to the automatic headlights, ensuring they're on at the correct times, alongside the central locking, wing mirror and window controls on the driver's door handle that are all easy to access whilst on the go. And as we turn on the engine, the car springs into action as all the displays activate, and now we gain access to the dashboard display, showing key information whilst on the move, including our telephone and audio. There is just 13,698 miles on the clock there as well. On the left hand side, we can access functionalities like our adaptive cruise control to stay at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway. As we make our way over to the infotainment screen, you'll see that there's tons of features to choose from. When going into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It really will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you can go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to without this functionality. As we make our way outside of this and going into telephone, we can also make calls directly through the car via Bluetooth. And this also works in conjunction with the voice command functionality, so you don't need to take your hands off the steering wheel whilst driving. The App Connect functionality enables access to the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, allowing you to display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music, and if you prefer, Google Maps navigation. The car also comes with the Park Pilot functionality with the front and the back parking sensors to fill yourself with confidence and safety in every manoeuvre. It ensures you minimise the risk of damaging your car in any way, and it's great for places like shopping centres where parking is traditionally a bit too tight. By popping the car into reverse, you gain access to these sensors automatically, but it's nice to know you can access them at any point. So once again, thanks for watching. This has been the stunning approved used Volkswagen Tcross SEL currently available at Oldham Volkswagen. It does include a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside flexible finance packages available. So to get yourself a tailored finance quote or book yourself in for a test drive, get in touch on 0161 825 8520. More than happy to provide more information on this vehicle.